Shreya this side. Hope you all are doing great. So after a long time today I'll be filming a vlog. आज मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाने वाली हूँ. मैं कहाँ कहाँ जाती हूँ, क्या क्या करूँगी. I will film each and everything and मैं आप लोगों के साथ वो शेयर करूँगी. But before that let me just quickly show you all a quick tutorial कि मैं कैसे रेडी होती हूँ. So without further delay, let's just move into the tutorial part. मैं अभी रेडी हो गई हूँ. सो फाइनली आई एम रेडी. मैं कैब में उठ के आप लोगों से बात करती हूँ. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
As always मैं सबसे पहले पहुंच गई थी एंड आई वॉज जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई फ्रेंड्स क्योंकि वो लोग हमेशा लेट ही आते हैं एंड मैं सबसे पहले पहुंच जाती हूँ. सो देन वी फर्स्ट वेंट टू के लोकल विच इज़ इन CC1 Salt Lake Sector 5 and the place was really very beautiful. I really liked the place. We are just eating, drinking and talking with each other and enjoying the moments actually. Then we did dance and we were really enjoying each and everything. Actually we all were wearing red dress. Actually this was a pre-planned thing. Then we were just going to Roxy which is in Park Street. एंड तभी बाहर बारिश भी हो रही थी बहुत तेज़ से. when I was coming back home.
So hi guys, मैं फाइनली घर पे आ गई हूँ and I'm very much tired right now. Also I will be adding few pictures. मतलब वीडियो के लास्ट में मैं कुछ पिक्चर्स ऐड करूँगी आज का दिन मैंने कैसे एंजॉय किया वो लेकर. Also this cute little red dress is from Amazon and this pendant and this watch, everything is from Amazon because I purchase a lot of product from Amazon. I will be adding all the links below in the description box, so don't forget to check out all that. And I enjoyed very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.